Hello there, greetings from London. My name is John and I am from TBC Global, and I am very excited, WebExpo, because I am coming your way in exactly, count them down, 1 month, 31 days to deliver your closing keynote and then a workshop afterwards. After my keynote, the way I hope it will go is you'll be fired up, we'll go to the pub, we'll celebrate, closing party, then the very next morning I just need 30 of you, only 30 of you, to come along with me to a premium workshop where we're going to explode and unpack and remix and rewire everything I said in the keynote. We're going to actually get practical. We're going to find ways to ask better questions and solve problems with your clients using my firecracker framework. Now, the title of the workshop is How to Grow Brands with Your Big Brain, not your big budget, because all of you don't have them. In fact, some of your budgets are more like the size of this little minifigure, and that means your content's gonna have to stand out. I got lots of ways that we can do this. We're gonna explore it together. It's part content strategy, part content creation, and yep, we are going to be using Lego to solve some problems. I am Ninjago level trained in what Lego calls serious play, and you know what? I want you to come along. I only want 30 of you. I'd love to have more, but 30 of you. If you think you might be up for becoming more curious and creating firecracker content, have a look at the link of my workshop I did for a pro rugby club here in the UK. I think it'll give you a nice taste of the tone and everything. Get your tickets to WebExpo, also for my premium workshop the very next day. And I cannot wait. I will see you in exactly 1 month, and we may even have some exclusive Lego prizes. In fact, we will. I will see you in a month. Can't wait. Thanks, WebExpo.